In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Drive to ChatGPT. This process will allow you to seamlessly integrate your Google Drive with ChatGPT, unlocking the potential for enhanced productivity and ease of access to your files right within your chat interface. So let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First things first, you need to open your web browser and navigate to Google Search. Once you're there, type in "How to connect Google Drive to ChatGPT" and hit enter. This will bring up a list of resources and guides that will aid you in understanding this connection process. Click on a relevant search result that suits your needs. Often, the top result is the most comprehensive, but it's always a good idea to skim through a few options to find a guide that is both detailed and easy to follow. After you've chosen your guide, go ahead and open it up. The guide will usually walk you through the necessary steps in detail. As you follow these instructions, it's crucial to ensure that your Google account is already signed in. If you're not signed in yet, take a moment to log into your Google account. This is important because your logged-in session will allow for a smoother integration process with fewer interruptions. Next, if the guide suggests it, navigate to your Google Drive settings. This is where you'll potentially adjust permissions or generate any necessary developer credentials that the connection might require. Pay careful attention to these steps, as incorrect settings might prevent successful integration. In some cases, you might need to navigate over to a ChatGPT settings panel or plugin market, depending on the platform you're using. This area will allow you to manage any integrations or linked accounts. Look for an option labeled "Connect Google Drive" or something similar. Clicking on this will typically start the process of linking the two applications. Sometimes you might encounter a prompt asking for authorization. This is a standard security measure, so don't worry. Make sure to read through the permissions that you're granting before you proceed. It's important not to skip this step, as it ensures that you're aware of what data or actions are being shared between Google Drive and ChatGPT. Once you've authorized the connection, you should receive confirmation that the link was successful. Now you can test this feature by trying to access your Google Drive files through your ChatGPT interface. A quick test will confirm that the integration is working as expected, allowing you to start enjoying the benefits of having your documents and data readily accessible during conversations or collaborative tasks. And there you have it. You've now successfully connected Google Drive to ChatGPT, streamlining your workflow and enhancing your productivity. If you run into any issues or have further questions, don't hesitate to revisit the guide or reach out to the support for either platform. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Happy connecting!